What's up, guys? It is Colin here, and today we are going to. Let me see something quick. Okay, we're still going. Today we are going to play. We played Granny the other day, so this time we're gonna play Granny Chapter 2. And if I see a lot of views on this, video, we'll do Granny 3. Seems like you guys like Granny 1 since you guys have views on that one video. I don't know, the last video I did it for like a whole hour, but it came out as 2 separate parts. I don't know how X Recorder works. We're gonna try both of them this time. You know what? Maybe this time we'll do the front door. If I come back to doing Granny Chapter 2, we'll do other escapes, but we'll do the front door this time. You know what, actually, whatever. We'll escape whatever way we can. You know what, maybe... You know what, I'm thinking of doing the boat, actually, more. Let's try a boat. Grandpa's still gonna come. Now I'm gonna have to go lock pick for that.
Johnny!
Hand wheel. I hate when I get on certain parts of the body,
I see you.
you know, Grandpa's coming, but can't get it in time. You know what? Oh, you guys see that? Oh, if you guys saw that thing, since I got 4.8k on that video, raise your eyebrows, stop smiling thing. I wasn't flipping you viewers off, I was flipping the guy off who said the thing. I was giving the middle finger to the guy who was doing that thing. Seen that thing. So it is now May. So that basically means now I've had my channel for like 3 years already. Because in May 2021, that's when I started my channel. I was like 12, almost 13. But yeah, I've had like this channel now for like 3 years. My first video was, if you guys didn't see it, my first video was those crazy cars. Alright. Oh, there's just some guy at our door. He's probably just dropping off something. Yeah, he wouldn't try and come sell us something because we got a sign now on our door that says no social soliciting. Before, people would always used to come and sell us stuff, and we found that annoying because you tell them you don't want it, but then they just keep going, and it gets annoying. No, I almost found the river there, or ocean, whatever now they want to call it. Let's just say I almost fell into the water there.
There you are.
No, it's the worst time for this to be happening. Let's see if he knows I'm under here, because I closed the door one time, opened it, then Granny still found me under the bed, even though she didn't see me go under the bed. I just opened it and left. Granny, guess what, Granny? He's got a weapon. Oh, I was gonna shoot him and then leave. Sorry about that, FGTV. Don't sue me. I mean, don't find this as copyright claim. I can't control when they're gonna play that thing. I apologize for that, FGTV, just so you guys know. Don't send me a copyright claim this.
I'm hungry.
Why don't you go eat with the spider baby then? Ah, crap, she was right there. There we on already. Oh, these stupid ads. We're on day 3 already. We're already 8 minutes into this video. No, lock Granny and Grandpa in there.
Do you want to play?
But Granny's not locked in there? Granny was gonna be locked in there. Well, I think they're mad at me now. The manual for that. Oh, when I sent the Granny video, I have a cousin who's 5 years older. I made a mistake there. I have a cousin 5 years younger than me. For those of you that don't know, listen, Granny, when you shoot the spider baby, if you look up, you'll see Sundrina. And there she is right now. Usually Granny gets mad when he kills Spider Baby, but now she doesn't give a shit. And she's like, no, you killed the baby, it's no big deal. Yeah, in this game, in case you didn't know, Sandrina's 40, so that... Okay, Grandpa's around here. Well, Grandpa in there again. Sometimes when the spider followed me, I tried closing that thing, but then it opened it right away. I don't know if you guys played the game Sundrina X. I have. The spider can open the door. Apparently that black and gray spider that's in there, that used to be Granny's spider in Granny 1 until she got rid of it and got like the weird skinny looking spider. Blinky. Okay, now that we're talking about the steering wheel, we're gonna bring that soon. Just let's see it here. Yeah, this guy right here is the grandpa from the other Granny game. He's the vampire guy in Sundrina X. We'll probably try doing that game as well on my channel soon. Helicopter key, great, not what I was looking for. What? I backed up. Already on day 4. That's the day off of school today. I was going to do this earlier, but I was busy. I had to go to the doctor today because tonsils were swollen again. So yeah, I've been getting these things. I've got it a couple of times. The tonsils keep swelling up. Now the doctor's going to make me go on some kind of thing. See why my tonsils keep swelling up. wonder when Granny 4 is gonna come out. They release a new Granny after every 2 years. And Granny 3 came out in 2021 when I first started, just a couple weeks before I started my YouTube channel. On June 3rd, 2021, I started my YouTube channel on New Long Weekend back in 2021. And Granny 4 is supposed to come out in like 2023. I don't know. My brother says he knows the creator though. There was one guy that created the whole game. One thing I am gonna tell you guys though is, if we play this game, I think we're just gonna, if we're gonna play Granny 3, we're just gonna play the, yeah, if we play Granny 3, we're just gonna play probably with just Granny. Because Grandpa is just like, it's like too hard. He's got like a gun, and it's like hard to run from him.
I see you.
What happened to the padlock key? Looks like we're gonna be stuck in this video for a while, which is okay because I like being with you guys, but can't remember where I put the padlock key.
I see you.
Baby's back up. Oh no.
I see you.
If I dropped it back here. Yeah, I did. Alright, now we're ready to escape. One time in 2020, before I came on YouTube, I had a dream I finished the stream. That was funny too. And Granny was right here. And I was like, no, it's like Granny multiplier, so. Your feet up to squid. Alright, and now without further ado, let's go. It only took us half an hour. If you look at that orange circle there, it only took us half an hour to beat this game. But yeah, that thing they were just doing right there, there was another version of Granny there, so Granny like multiplied herself. I had this dream one time. I was playing there, and then like in one of the corner where the sink is in the kitchen, you go in there and there's like a locker room, and like Granny had some like small son that was like so fast. It was like a baby. But yeah, that's it for looks like that's it for this video. I'll probably do another one sometime soon. But leave a so since you guys can't post comments, like I don't think it allows it on here. If you want us to do Granny 3, leave a thumbs up in the video, and then if I see any thumbs up at all, then we'll do Granny 3. But I think that's what there mostly is to say right now. Oh, one more thing. So I'm sitting right here in my room. I have new Super Mario Bros. Wii. We might try that on my YouTube channel, but we'll do it in like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5. Because if we do the whole game, I'll be sitting there for like 5 hours or 6 hours, 7 hours straight trying to do that thing. So that'd be like from noon to 7. So yeah, we're gonna do like part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, part 5, part 6, part 7, part 8, and maybe part 9. But And maybe a Scooby-Doo game. I got a Scooby-Doo game there called Spooky Swamp. Or Donkey Kong Country Returns. I have some nice games here I probably want to try on my YouTube channel. But we'll talk about that sometime soon. So yeah, that's it for this video. Leave a thumbs up. If you want me to play Granny 3, I might just do Granny though, because Grandpa's too hard to do in that thing. Or I'll maybe do Grandpa. But yeah, leave a thumbs up if you want us to do Granny 3. And I'll see that. I'm gonna post this video up now. So I'll let you guys go now, and I'll see you in the next video. Okay, bye.